Thank you, John, for joining me here. I have a question, and it's about Christmas, right? At Christmas, there are two types of people. There are those that always receive socks, or those that always give it. I think we're all wondering, which one are you?
I receive socks.
You receive socks?
I receive socks.
Same as me, I receive socks. I actually tried putting them to good use. I made a deck of cards out of socks, okay? Now, I split it up here, and in each packet, there's about 26 socks, and none of them match. I'll show you what I mean now. They're all odd socks, and they're all Christmas socks. And here you can see, all of them look quite cool, but they're all different. I'm gonna give you the impossible task, John. You're gonna have to try and find a needle in a haystack, because in each pile you're gonna choose one sock, and hopefully the two socks you choose will match. Okay, so we'll choose from this pile first. I'll walk you through it. And I'm just gonna deal like this, cards up here, and whenever you say stop, the card that's here will be your sock, okay? So I'll go through now.
Stop.
Grand, that one right here will be yours. We'll leave it right there. And then we'll choose one from right here.
Stop.
Perfect. And then we'll get this one right there. Okay, I showed you at the beginning they're all odd, and hopefully you were able to find a matching pair, okay?
Okay.
Time for the big reveal, okay? On the count of 3, show it to the camera, please. 1, 2, 3, let's see. Oh no, look, they're odd. Well, you were the one finding them, so that's not really a fault on me. Can I have a look here?
You can.
What odd socks are they? That's actually really interesting. Let me show the camera that, because I didn't tell you this, because why would I? But I swear to you, this morning when I woke up, I put on 2 odd socks. Can you just hold them? Can you just hold them for a second and show the camera? I'll just come right over here. And I don't know why I chose Christmas socks or anything this morning, but can I have them for a second? We'll show the camera. We have the exact matching pair of socks. Now, John, I will say this.
That's incredible.
It doesn't surprise me that you chose an odd pair of socks, because didn't I show you at the beginning, they're all odd.
They're all odd.
So of course you're going to choose an odd pair, but it would have been cooler if you chose the only odd pair in a deck full of matching socks. I haven't touched these since, but it's like that. Each sock is now a complete match.
Come on.
Except for the ones that you chose. Thank you very much, John.
Well done, that.
Thank you.